Hey everybody, come on in the closet. Let's talk about Emily palettes. I am so excited. It's another day and another chance to sparkle, so keep a sparkle in your eye and a sparkle in your heart because it makes you beautiful. I created this look from the Revolution Emily Edit the Needs palette. OMG, y'all. I love this palette. I made the look out of the Love color, and this has got a honking mirror on it. The Love color, the Hope color, and the Honesty color. Aren't those just beautiful? And this color here I put on my inner corner. Oh, it is like butter. Oh, MG. Emily done a wonderful job. These are so pigmented, so blendable. I mean, they are beautiful, beautiful. They come in a box like this. They have a wonderful, wonderful, this is a hard plastic palette, and I mean, I just love it so far, and this is my first time using it. It's going to be a favorite, I know. And the other one is the Emily Edit. Look, there's her picture. Oh, I just love it. It's just a wonderful, wonderful palette. It's the Emily Edit, the Once. The Once. Let me open it and show you all some of it. I haven't watched any videos on any looks or any videos on anybody reviewing it. I done that on purpose because I wanted to make up my own mind before I seen anything. I swatched it as soon as I got it yesterday, or Sunday, as soon as I got it Sunday, and I was just blown away by the silkiness. And look at the colors here. Look what a huge mirror. Huge, huge mirror. But look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? I mean, they are gorgeous. And if you listen to her talk about why she named her colors, the colors that she named them, the cream. She named the cream because an old country farming saying is, the cream always rises to the top. So, and that's, I grew up in a farming town, so yes, the cream always rises to the top. And what that means is, when you're saying it to a child, or if someone is talking about someone having trouble in their, amongst the family, then the good part, which is the cream, always comes to the top. And the hobby and the prayer and the gratefulness, if you go and watch her video about why she named all of these, you will just cry along with her. I did. So she just has just wonderful colors. I love the one that is her Eve Rose, her little girl's name. That's this one. And then her Belle Violet, which is this one. Look at those two. Aren't they just gorgeous? Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors that will, look at that. That will just go together like her little girls go together. But I'll be using this palette and giving you a look on this palette. But right now I'm going to show you the one that I'm going to show you how to do this one that I did with this palette. The first thing I did was, I mean, these are, I just love them. I can't say enough how much I love them. The first thing I did was I went into this color right here, the Kindness, right here. I went into Kindness and I put a little Kindness all over my lid and all over from the brow bone, all over. A little kindness goes a long way. Don't you all feel that? And that's what Emily Noel says. A little kindness goes a long way. So there's that, the kindness on there. And then I used that same brush And I went in the hope. We always have to have a little hope. And I think the kindness and hope made a very good. The kindness, hope, and honesty made a very good look. And what I did is went in the outer, I hear Diva, went in the outer V, and I used that also in my crease. Just like that. The honesty is the brown right here. And they're just good workable colors. They blend well. They are pigmented. I mean, you cannot beat them. This will probably be my go-to palette. I'll be buying another one. And the great thing is, my husband drove round trip 167 miles. If you follow me on Facebook, you will know, Facebook or Instagram, you will know that our Alta is round trip 167 miles. Well, he got there and he told the girls, he said, my wife called and you have a palette here, a couple palettes here with her name on them. She got the last two. And so one palette was $15 and they gave me $3 discount. So I got this palette for $12, the Need palette. And the other one was $20 and they gave me $4 off of that, which was 20%. They gave me 20% off of each palette. And I gave $16 for this. Because the girl said anybody that drives that far to pick up this needs a discount. And I said, oh yes, she hooked me up. So that was a bonus. So I got my total, both palettes was $29.96. So thank you, Emily. I got a deal. A deal. So anyway, then, uh-oh, I'm losing my stuff. Hang on. Okay. Oh, here I go. Woo! All right. I got my mascara here, and I dropped it, and I'll need it. So, anyway, so I went into the Hope, and there is not a lot of kick up. See? I got a fan going here. There's not a lot of fallout. So, this is a great, on a first impression, this is a great palette. Let me go a little darker over here. So you can use this for every day, for an everyday palette. So then on my lid, what I did is I just went into the Honesty here, right here with my finger. You know me and my finger. And I just went all over my lid with the Honesty. Just like this. Look how easy. Look how easy that is. Okay, and then I'm going to blend all that. Blend this. You know I gotta blend. Let me get my other brush. And I'm going to blend all that. Just like this. Okay. I'm going to use this honking mirror. Look at that beautiful mirror. Oh, I better keep it out of the way, though. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. But anyway, use this mirror. Get that in there. Alright, and then I've done my bottom lash line right here. I done that with the outer part I done with the Hope, which is the brown. There will be big things more than this for Emily Noel. I'm telling you, all of you, if anybody from any company watches me, all of you makeup companies better start hiring Emily for your consultant on eyeshadows and stuff. That girl knows her stuff. There is no fallout on these. Makeup Revolution grabbed her up, and if they're smart, they'll keep her and sign contract and get her to start doing their palettes for them. Okay, and then I went on the outer part with the Honesty. right here, like this. Honesty is number one. You have to be honest. I am so happy for Emily that she, you know, this to her was the epitome of what she was going for, and I'm just happy for her. Then I went in with the Hope, the brown again, and I kind of defined that line here, right here. You see, I kind of defined what this is. A simple 3 eyeshadows. I did use a little love on the brow bone right here. This, so it's really 4 eyeshadows right here. This love right here, I used that on the brow bone right here. But anyway, I took that brown and kind of defined with the smaller brush, defined up in the outer V and in the crease, just like that. See how I define that? And then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that right into the crease a little. This is a quick, I have to do quick eye looks now in the mornings when I'm getting ready. I don't have time to really do anything major that I'd like to do, like if I'm going out. But anyway, that's the looks I done, and I used my finger on the brow bone up here. I put that love in there, and then I used both my favorite eyeshadows to create. Oh, and I did use my black eyeliner. Let me do that. But if you wanted to skip that, this is a perfect look with if you just don't even want to use eyeliner. But I decided to use eyeliner, and I'm going to use it right in the outer V. I'm not going all the way across, and I'm just going to go in the upper waterline, just like this, upper waterline. For some reason my eyes, this eye especially, has been kind of droopy. I don't know why, but I've been having a lot of trouble getting it to. Somebody asked me if I had a lazy eye. No, it's never been lazy, but it may be getting there. It is getting old. So yeah, it may be getting lazy. Okay, now let's get some mascara. I've been using my favorite mascaras, doubling it, Sumptuous Extreme, Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara by Estee Lauder, my favorite. I put on the bottom waterline, well, the bottom eyelashes, and then a coat on the top. I think these colors are just beautiful. I can't wait to dip in the Once palette. I hope you all can get a hold of these palettes. I believe they're going to be something that you'll want to buy. I'm not telling you to run out and buy them, but if you can and it's in your budget, I would get them. If you love eyeshadows like I do, run out and get these eyeshadows. I knew they were going to be good because Emily knows what she likes. She knows what everyone else likes. And I just love these. I love them. I love these eyeshadows. So I do that with my Estee Lauder. Then I take my Lash Paradise by, who is this by? I forget. And it's, I use it so much, I've got the, by L'Oreal. Got the name off of it almost. And I just, this is a good lengthening lash mascara. It's lengthening and volumizing, and I think it pairs well with my Estee Lauder. So y'all let me know what you think about this look. I love it. I think it's a good everyday look. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We're making friends here. And also, don't forget to go check out my Patreon. For $1 a month, you can pre-read my book that I'm writing. I hope you enjoy it. If you have already went there, thank you for your patronage. Thank you for, please leave me comments on my Patreon and leave me comments here. And also, give me a thumbs up on this video. I love you guys, and I'll get to you as soon as I can with comments. I'm working a lot, so I'm blessed, and I feel blessed to just have a job and be able to work. I love you guys. I'll see you Thursday, I hope. Okay, bye.